Hi! Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. Um, so, I started at Philippine Heart Center on February 13, 2001. I stayed there until August 2006. Um, Heart Center played a significant role on my journey throughout my career because English. Kasi I had a hard time finding a job, not because uh, um, I cannot keep the job dahil mahirap yung trabaho. It was because uh, mahirap dahil because of bullying. I actually toured the hospitals in Quezon City. I actually worked in Lung Center, Capitol, St. Luke's. After matapos ko yung probationary period, after I'd get hired, I'd actually quit. So, for some reason, I didn't get the guts to apply at Philippine Heart Center because I was so intimidated. But then my former classmate Jenny Salas encouraged me to apply, so I did. So when I got there, it actually I was actually surprised kasi the culture was very different. The nurses and the doctors communicated. There was actually mutual respect. The managers actually were very supportive. We learned actually how to advocate for our patients because they listened. I became more confident in managing my patients and in communicating to the doctors for my patients' needs. I became very assertive when I went to the ER. Actually, I was scared, but then all my managers there were awesome. Ma'am Jing, Mamu, Ma'am Ophel, they were all great because they were very supportive. ER then was very challenging. Maniwala kayo. Standing room. Lahat ng upuan occupied. But then, sa amin, yung panahon namin, hindi problema yon. Ang teamwork namin was amazing. Ang contest namin, we challenge ourselves. It was crazy. Kasi ang ginagawa namin, paramihan ng makikitang pasyente. I don't know if you guys still do that, but yun ang ginagawa namin. Triage pa lang, pag nakita na namin yung pasyente, hindi pa sila nakikita ng doktor, ginagawa na namin yung orders. Kasi alam namin, ang doktor namin busy. Pagdating ng doktor, sasabihin na lang namin sa doktor, sulat nyo na yung orders nyo. Nagawa na namin. I guess that's why our doctors back then, like Dr. Akakas, yung batch nila, loved us. They respected us. And we respected them. Like I said, we listen to each other. Pag may mali kami, they corrected us in a way na hindi kami napapahiya. They give us yung insights nila kung saan kami nagkamali. Really, we grew as nurses. We learned a lot. Kaya and the thing is, I did not feel burnout because there was camaraderie. I was actually looking forward to coming to work because I enjoy coming to work. Nakakapagod, but then it was easy kasi lahat kami nagtatrabaho. We do our best. We communicate, lahat collaborates. So even RTs, ewan ko, iba ang samahan namin, kaya ewan ko, siguro kung hindi pangangailangan ng pamilya namin, we would have stayed there longer. Tatanda kami dyan sa heart. Kasi we really love the culture. And like I said, hindi ako nakaramdam ng burnout because of the camaraderie. And I kept on learning dahil continuous ang education, which is, I think, very important na I don't think nagagawa sa ibang ospital. So, sa mga nurses natin na nandiyan, sana na-appreciate niyo na pinupush kayo to learn more, to grow. So, I think that's what I miss now. Kasi ngayon, on your own ka. But like I said, I am proud that I came from Philippine Heart Center, that I have learned to advocate for my patients, that now I'm able to adapt to any situation, you know. Willing akong bumalik. Congratulations again and happy anniversary. Happy 50th anniversary to Philippine Heart Center. Thank you.